Good morning, Kyle. All right, here's your 938 sitting on my F-head. Testing and adjustment have gone well. Down inside, you can see she's nice and dry. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up. Alright. Look down inside again. Yeah, still nice and dry. Alright. She's on a little bit high right now, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust it back down. Yeah, let's run it through and see what it does. Okay, there you go. Just keep the clear throat. Alright, let's look at some numbers. Right now, idling it's 690, 700, somewhere in there. I might be able to see, and there's the fuel pressure. A little over 3.5. Vacuum is at 19. Isn't that wonderful? Alright, sir. One more time. And we'll even do it slow. That's just what we want to see. Alright, sir. Thank you.